Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we would learn how to solve the practice problem power of odd numbers. So basically, we have solved the same question for even numbers, but now we have to do the same for odd numbers. So let's start. Basically, in this, we would be given an n value. Let's take 2. Okay. So I need to consider the first two odd natural numbers. So those are 1 and 3. Okay. Then I need to square them. So square. So this is 1 and this is 9, right? After squaring them, I need to add the sum of their squares. So this is 10. So this should be my output. So what do I need to do? I am given an n value. I need to find the odd numbers between them, and then I need to square the odd numbers, and after that I need to add the value of their squares. Okay, and the final result would be my output. So I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's solve it. So what you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. Okay, in practice portal, in the difficulty section, you need to choose school. Okay, after choosing school, you need to find the problem. The problem is power of odd numbers. Okay, once you find it, you need to click on solve. Okay, so let's solve it. Okay, here is the question. Given a single integer n, your task is to find the sum of the square of its first n odd natural numbers. Okay, once you find this question and once you have understood it, we are coding it over here. Okay, so let's start. Just 1 minute, let's start from here. Okay, first number 1. Okay, because odd numbers start from 1, right? Then initially my sum is 0. Okay, then I would be applying a for loop for I in range. Okay, and the range would be from 1 comma n plus 1 so that we can stop at n. Okay, then sum plus equal to, now 1 minute, s. Okay, sum plus equal to number star number, right? Because we are adding the square of every number, right? And we are increasing every value by 2, right? So num equal to num plus 2. Okay, now you can ask, why 2? See, basically initial value of num is 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, so that is why we would be keep on getting, odd numbers as we keep on adding 2. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Now I just need to return with the value of sum. Okay, so over here I would write return. Okay, return with the value of sum. Now to check if it is correct or not, I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. The compilation is completed and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. So let me submit it. So the problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem power of odd numbers. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.